Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Mercedes-Benz GLA class. This is an automatic, comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got this lovely half leather interior with heated front seats. There's sat-nav, the radio has CD player and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning and automatic headlights. So let's have a look around. This car has Mercedes service history. It's got the automatic 2.1 litre diesel engine that gives you 174 horsepower. It's done less than 13,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.